Hi, good day. My name's Alim. I'm a Microsoft Office specialist in Excel and Access. Today I'm going to answer a couple Excel common questions. This is the questions that we're going to answer today. What is a ribbon? How can we hide or show the ribbon? How can we wrap the text within a cell? And how can we resize the column? So let's go to the first question. What is a ribbon? Okay, suppose we have Excel opened here. This part of the screen is the ribbon. It is actually on the top of the Excel program, and it got panels that allowing user to select the different type of functions that he want to do. It is a replacement. In the old world before Excel 2007, we have toolbars and menus. But now, since after 2007, Excel 2007, we have replaced it by ribbon. So let's go to the next question. Next question is how to show or hide the ribbon. To show the ribbon or to hide the ribbon, you can do it by two ways. If you just use keyboard, you can use the shortcut key. This is Control F1. Press Control and then F1. You can see that I will hide it. And to show again, just press Control and F1 again. It will be back. Or otherwise, the other way we can do it to simply use a mouse to click on the label of the ribbon. Just double click it. You can see that now I double click it, it's gone. Double click again, it's back. Double click, it's gone. Double click again, it's back. So you can see that it's actually very easy for that to show or hide the ribbon. So now let's go to the next question. The next question is how can we wrap the cell within the text? Sorry, wrap the text within a cell. To wrap the text within a cell, it is very easy. Say for example, I got this cell here, it appears too long for me, and I want to wrap it. To wrap it, you can either go to the home ribbon and go to the alignment group and click the wrap text button. After you click it, you can see that Excel will immediately make the row higher, and that you can see the whole value of the cell, and it's been wrapped into different lines. Or the other way to do that is, for example, I want to wrap this one, but this time I don't want to use the wrap text button. What I can do is right click the cell and then select format cell. After click on the format cell, you will have a pop-up window that allows you to do number format, which is we have been called over in the last video. We can do alignment, text style, font, border, fill, color, pattern, protection, etc. So we can go to wrap the text using this window. Go to alignment, click wrap text, then click OK. You can see that it wrapped the text as well. So if you want to wrap multiple texts, how to do that? You can simply select multiple. You can simply select multiple cells and do it together. Either you see that after I click it, I've selected this group cell, and now I'm going to wrap it. After I wrap that, you can see that this one and this one have been wrapped. Of course, the same thing, that is, you can also select the format cell after you have highlight a couple of cells, and you can simply right click on the highlight area and then select format cell and go to the wrap text, click wrap text in the alignment tag and then click OK as well. It can get you the same result. So now let's go to the last question. The last question is how to resize the column. To resize the column, you can simply move your mouse to the column header, and until you see that the mouse cursor change from square to this, I don't know how to say this one, and then after that you can keep holding your mouse and just change the size that you want, or either move your mouse left or right, whatever. Then you can see that, and after you move that, remove your mouse. After you remove the mouse, you see that it changed the format for you already. Or the other way is you can select the column by click on the column header. You can see that once you select the column, your mouse cursor changed to an arrow heading down. Then right click and click format cell. Click column wife and change the wife here. This is in terms of number. This number is a pixel. Say now it is 8.43 pixel height. Now pixel width, I want to change it to say 20. I just type 20 pixel width, then see what's the result. You see, it changed to 20. Suppose you have more than one columns and you want to change together, it is also possible to do it. Just use a mouse to select multiple columns, and then either you can use the drag and drop that I told you earlier to change the width of those columns. Once you change it, you see that every column change. Or the other way, you can right click on the select area and then click column width and change the column width again. So I hope this information is informative, and thank you for viewing.